Constitution. Last week, I signed Executive Order Number 70, creating the National Task Force to End Local Communist Armed Conflict. From the military-centric approach that gave us our recent successes against the communist movement, we now shift to a new civilian-led approach that will tap other government agencies and other private sector in bringing basic services and other development interventions that will address the root cause of the communist movement. General Madrigal, you are now tasked with the responsibility of preserving peace and ensuring order as we shift to this new approach. Sustain the progress of those who came before you and create a legacy that will cause ripples for positive change in the years to come. As we trudge the noble path of realizing lasting peace and sustainable development in our country, I trust that under General Benjamin Madrigal's leadership, the AFP will achieve more milestones in the campaign to combat terrorism and insurgency and address lingering and emerging threats to national